Who's ready to eat? All right, let's eat. We gotta get home. So this is gonna we're gonna double as a mukbang. It's not. I'm just brain farting because I'm hungry, right? Top-notch Jamaican. You see that? Somebody take my picture. What's prettier, me or the food? Please. Don't answer. It was just a joke. Don't answer. Happy New Year. Thanks. We're gonna fuck this up. Shout out to Topnotch out in Cave Creek, Arizona. You know I love you. That's my home team. I love them so much. I'm about to fuck it up. You want some? Which part you want? Which part you want? Thank you. Which you want a chip? You want this one? You want some veggies? Or you want the rice? Alright, let's start the veggies. Just teasing y'all with the meat last, you know? What do you like? The legs? You like breast? You like thighs? No, they never film me. Never. Until I met someone from Jamaica, I never loved food so much. Like, literally felt the excitement that comes with some good ass food. You know when some people say they compare food to like something orgasmic perhaps? I believe it. I do. And if you don't believe it, you never met somebody to fuck up some food for you. If you don't believe that your stuff starts twitching when you bite, then you ain't had somebody cook for you right. Trust me. And I'm only being cute because I've been outside and I don't want to get my food dirty. You know? Sound like zoo animals, right? We're not stopping. It's spicy though. You see me sweating? Spicy. Jamaicans this is not spicy for a Jamaican. For a DG, it's spicy. I'm very much sweating here. I'm gonna turn the air. Yo, the greedy went down and the heat hit me. Whee! Wait. Let me breathe. Yeah. I like, you know, spaced out or is that good? Alright. Hold on. Alright, breathe. tore it up, but you can have some. Me? Still go? Got me sweating though. I'm sweating hard. I'm so sweaty. Anyways, I'm about to tear this food up. I hope you had fun driving around with me. I had fun. Thanks for the company. But I'm about to destroy this.